Ever wondered how seemingly unrelated data points might actually be connected? Today, we're diving into correlation in Tableau, a powerful technique for uncovering relationships between your data's variables. First, load your data into Tableau now. Let's say you have a dataset and you want to find out if there's a positive, negative, or no relationship between two variables. Begin by dragging your desired variables to the rows and columns shelves. For this example, let's use sales and profit. Next, select Show Me in the top right corner, then choose the Scatterplot visualization option. Tableau automatically generates a scatterplot, visually portraying the relationship between your chosen fields. Each dot represents a data point, and the scatter indicates the correlation, but the scatterplot alone is not enough to further enrich the plot. Simply click Analytics at the left side and drag Trendline on the Scatterplot visuals. Tableau instantly draws a trend line, allowing you to easily understand the correlation in your data. If the trend line slopes upwards, you have a positive correlation, meaning as one variable increases, the other tends to increase as well. A downward trend line depicts a negative correlation, an inverse relationship. If it's a relatively flat line or shows no clear trend, then a correlation is not visible. Finally, go back into the Analytics tab and drag correlation onto your view. A statistical significance value will be automatically displayed under your chart. It tells you the strength and direction, or the amount of correlation between your variables. And there you have it. You can now use this knowledge for further analysis and predictive modeling. Now go forth and start exploring your data.